Alright guys, going on the first fishing trip of walleye this year, and just walking to the river. Get you back when I'm on the water. Alright, let's get headed over to that bridge. Catch you along when I get there. Alright guys, we are just pulling up to the location by the bridge, targeting the walleye. We have 3 setups. Right now it is around 43 degrees out Fahrenheit in Michigan on the St. Joseph River. It's around 5-ish p.m. and probably fish for a good 2 hours or 3, and head back, catch back to you when we start putting the lures in the water. Okay, that reel back there was giving me issues, so I'm gonna switch to this. A little ugly stick with a Pro Fluger with this little, I don't know what's it called, but we'll see what this can get us. Drop that to the bottom. All right. Catch back to you if I'm on. Okay, so what I'm doing is just jigging it up and then slowly letting it down. Jig it up, slowly letting it down, and we'll see if that catches anything. If not, then we'll switch to a new spot, maybe over there. All right, guys, I got my waders on so we can go in the water. I'm gonna just fish from shore. I think that'll be a little better because I don't know exactly where these fish are located at. I just heard from like a little rumors that they're underneath the bridge, but I don't know where. So I'm gonna try from shore, like in the shallow kind of, and see where it brings us. So yep. All right. So I'm just cast right in the middle, right here. See where it goes. Alright, just caught our first little fish. It wasn't a walleye, but it is a fish. This looks like a little smallmouth bass. This lure. There we go. First smallmouth bass of the year. In April 24th. There we go. Get a nice little release. There she swims off. It's got another one. There we go. Another fish. It's a little better one. Sweet. The first cast I casted out, caught another smallmouth. There we go. That's a little more better one. Nice. This bait is originally for walleye, but I'm just using it, I guess, for a bass lure now, because this is not that bad. I mean, all in this river / lake is just all smallmouth. There's hardly any largemouth, just smallmouth in this river. But I guess you can use this as a smallmouth lure. Jeez. So it's been about maybe 10 minutes after those two smallmouth bass. So I might head on over there. We'll see, but I'm gonna give them 5 more minutes. If I don't catch anything, then I'll move on to the other side of the river. All right. Part 2 of going in the canoe. Let's see if we can do this. Come on. There you go. All right. Okay. We are good. All right. Get you along when I'm over there. Okay, gonna anchor out the canoe. I guess you can see right here. Maybe not. A little more closer. This looks like a good spot, though. I like this spot. Oh, what is that? Why is that so ashy? This looks like a good spot. All right. Get my rod out. Oh, and if anybody wants to know what type of rod I'm using a Lews Mach Crush. It's one of the most favorite spinning reels I like to use. I mean, overall, I just like to use a Lews brand, but got a new lure on. It's a lipless crankbait. I'll probably only give this spot about like 10 minutes and nothing happens, and I'll probably just head back. GoPro's already getting at 13%, so gotta make it worthwhile. All right, guys, we made it back. If you guys made it this far, thank you a lot. It means a lot, guys.